If you are a small business person, a content creator, or a side hustler, and you want to professionally set up your business, a logo is very important to your business, and Canva has made it very easy for you to be able to create a logo. So rather than you paying another person to create a logo for you, follow this step-by-step method on how you can use Canva and create a logo for your business. And it is very easy with no investment, and it will take you less than 5 minutes to create a logo on Canva. I've always told you all that I'm a fake designer, right? Yes, I'm a fake designer who gives quality designs on time to all my clients. Watch this video till the end and you will know why as a fake designer, I always give quality designs on time to my clients, and getting to the bank every other day is possible with Canva. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, making money online, and building wealth. If these are the kind of content you love, do consider to click on that like button, click on the subscription button, and turn on your notification bell. It is free, it will help the channel to grow, and it will also help me to know that these are the kind of content you all want me to be creating on this channel. Premium content only. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for your loyalty. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional and personalized logo using Canva. Canva is a great tool to create stunning designs and stunning logos, even if you have zero experience in designing. We're going to learn how to create a logo in less than 5 minutes, so let's dive right into it. To get started, go to Canva's homepage and you can get there through the link on the description, or you can go to Google and type in Canva. To get started with creating your logo, I'm going to show you my favorite way, which is the easiest way for anyone who has zero experience in designing. To begin designing your logo, the first thing you have to do is to type in logo template on the search space on your screen. And you would see different type of logo templates that will pop up. However, rather than you going through this process and you have to go through thousands of templates to select one for yourself, it will be better for you to customize your logo template directly to the kind of business you are doing. For example, rather than you typing in logo template, you can just type in logo template for a salon, or logo template for fitness, or logo template for an NGO. When you do that, the results will pop up on your screen and you can actually go through the different templates and select any that best suits you. But for today, we are going to be creating a logo for a hair salon. I'm going to show you how you can actually create a logo for your hair salon. So right now, go back to the search space and type in logo template for a salon, or logo template for a beauty salon. Here, you would see over 2,000 templates that you can get started with. Scroll through these templates and select the one that best suits you. So, spend some time looking at your options and you can pick that which best suits the kind of salon that you want to set up for your business. Now, I am even confused as to which of the templates to pick, because there are a lot of wonderful and beautiful salon templates that we can pick from. You will notice that some of these designs actually have a crown on it. If you see any design that has a crown on it, know that this design or this template is only for pro users. And those that do not have any crown on it, anyone, or it's a free version, so anyone can use it. But it really doesn't matter, because there are a lot of free templates that you can use as a free user on Canva. That is the beauty about Canva, right? So if you're not a pro user of Canva and you're a free user, you have a lot of options that you can actually pick from. But there are some options that you cannot use as a free user of Canva. And the beauty about Canva is actually giving out a 30 days free trial for anyone who wants to try out the pro version of Canva. So you can go right there and subscribe to this free trial so that you can explore everything that concerns Canva. And another amazing thing is that as a free user, you can download any of the free templates that you use in designing your logo. You can also download your logo when you finish creating the logo using a transparent background. If you are interested in subscribing to Canva Pro, the link to Canva Pro is on the description, so you can go right there, click on it, and sign into Canva Pro. Let's go ahead to begin customization of our logo design. Once you've decided on the logo template you want to use, let's go ahead to customize the logo template. Click on the design. You can still change it at any time, and the easiest way to do that is to go to the left hand side, and then you can quickly view some additional design options, but I like the one we choose. So let's go ahead to keep editing this one. Every item within the design you have selected is able to be customized and edited to your liking. Let's start off with the text. If you want to edit a text, all you have to do is to double click over it, and then you can edit the text. So today we are creating a logo for a fictitious hair salon, and I would like us to call this salon Claudia's Hair Salon or Claudia's Beauty Palace, right? That sounds really beautiful. So right here, all you have to do is to double click on this written template, and you can edit it to Claudia's Hair Salon or Claudia's Beauty Palace. So double click on it if you want to change the font and use something else. You can again double click or highlight the words that you actually see right here and adjust it to suit this template. And you can actually write here at the front of your screen. Here are fonts that you can actually use, or if you like what was actually originally on the design template, you can just continue to use it. Remember that everyone who has access to Canva also has access to your logo designs. So you want to customize and personalize it as much as possible. One of the best ways to do so is by adjusting the color palette. My favorite way to explore with color is to come right here to the left hand side and select Style. Here, there are pre-selected color palettes that you can choose from. If you want to go ahead to select one of them, you can still make edits to it. For example, if you design something and you do not like the background of it, but you like another background, you can highlight the selected area, come over here to the top of your screen, and then you can change the background color. Remember, because we are using Canva Pro, you can also download this logo with a transparent background. Let's explore some other ways in which you can customize your logo. Like clicking here on elements, you can add lines, shapes, graphics, and other designs to your logo. I like these three dots right here. Go ahead and click on the element you want to add. From here, you can drag the shape to adjust the size and place it where you want on your logo. If you want to edit the color, come to the top of your screen. Canva saves colors that you have previously used on your designs to make it fast and quick for you to get your logo to match your other designs. Once you are happy with the way your elements look, you can go ahead and move to the next. If you love the research so far, please do consider to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end. If this is your first time on my channel, Thank you very much for joining the channel today. On this channel, we talk about everything side hustle ideas, small business ideas, making money online and building wealth. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so very much for your loyalty. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you are getting value from the videos we share on this channel. One of the cool features about Canva is the brand hub, but this is only available for the pro users. If you do have access to the brand hub, you can save your logo and use it seamlessly for other projects that you design on Canva by adding your brand logo, and you can even set a color palette for you to use in future, as well as a front and frequently used photos and graphics. If you have any image or you feel that you want to upload your own logo on Canva, then you can go ahead and click on upload. And you can now upload your image and even audio files on Canva. Let's click on text right here if you want to add additional text to logo. You can go ahead and click here. Today, we are not going to add any additional text to our logo. If you click on something and decide you don't want to use it anymore, all you have to do is to click on it and then you can trash it right here. Click on the trash button right here. If you have a more creative strength like I do, you can go ahead to the draw button. Here, you can draw your own designs and add to your logo. Once you're happy with the way your logo looks, you can go ahead and save it. Start by going to the right-hand side of your screen and clicking on Share. Here, you want to go ahead and then you click on Download. There are several types of files that you can actually download your image in, but I will go with the suggested file type that you see right here on your screen. Because I have Canva Pro, I can go ahead and download my image using a transparent background. If you know that you need your image to be compressed, meaning if you need your image in a smaller size in order to upload it elsewhere, you can also compress your file by clicking here on Upload. Once you've downloaded this logo to your computer or to your phone, you can use it in any application. For example, let's say I want to drag and drop my logo in a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I simply need to open my PowerPoint and then I drag my logo and insert it right here or anywhere that you so please on this Microsoft PowerPoint. If you want to continue using your logo within Canva, you can go ahead to Canva homepage. If you want to start a new design by inserting your logo, go up here to create a design. You can also add it to a template. Let's say you want to create a flyer for your opening day celebration, or you can also use it in a brand new design. It is as simple as that. You now have a great looking logo and no one needs to know that you are not a designer, right? In fact, I now certify you a great designer, right? Anyway, that was just for fun. This is just to let you know that Canva makes designing very easy for us. So if you have a business or you want to create a logo or you want to start a side hustle, you can actually take the options of creating logos for people and earning money for yourself. Amazing, right? You can now have fun in exploring the logo templates that are available on Canva for you. If you enjoyed this video so far, do consider to click on that like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. It will help the channel to grow And it will also help me to know that these are the kind of content you all want me to be doing for you, and also that you appreciate the little effort I put in this research. Small gigs, big results will never disappoint you. So see you on my next exciting video on how you can use your smartphone to earn money from the online space. Always remember, I've got you covered. I will try as much as possible by the grace of God to be here every other week with amazing and premium content that you can use to empower yourself, build wealth, and make money from the online space. My wish for us all is that by the end of this year, we should all be able to have at least 5 streams of income. That's amazing, right? So make sure you are glued to this channel all the time, because I promise you premium content only. Love you all and see you on our next exciting video. Mwah!